Hello my dear foodie friends, welcome once again to Eat East Indian channel. Today we are making nutritious, spicy, tangy zucchini curry. It's really easy to put together, and for this dish we are going to heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, that's jeera and roti. Once they are sizzling for about 30 seconds, add in 1 dried red chilli. You can crush it, you can add it whole depending on how much spice you want in your dish. Next we are adding some chopped onions. We'll give them a quick mix and then add in some grated ginger. You can also use ginger paste or perhaps small chunks of ginger. So onions are well mixed with all these spices. Next goes in our ginger. We'll give it another quick mix so that everything is well combined, well incorporated, nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. And then we'll add in our zucchini pieces. I have chopped it in bite-sized pieces, but you can cut it smaller, larger. And also I have peeled the skin off because sometimes I find that peel is a little better. My mom prefers to keep it on. Your choice. Let's add in some salt, should be as per your taste dependent on quantity you're cooking, some haldi, that's turmeric, and red chili powder, a little bit more heat for me. Mix them all well together, saute your zucchini for a few more minutes. Keep mixing it. And then we'll add in half a cup of tomato sauce. Instead of tomato sauce, you can also add in chopped tomatoes or tomato puree. But tomato sauce lends a nice taste to this dish. We are adding 1 cup of water and we'll let everything cook until zucchini is nice and soft but still has a little bite to it. And that's it. Our dish has come together beautifully, flavor from cumin and mustard. And we'll finish it off by adding some coriander leaves or cilantro. That's it. My favorite way to eat this curry is along with some quinoa, but you can serve it with rice or with naan as well. Thanks for watching, guys.